Is it going?
Yeah.
Ew, it's cigarettes.
Gross!
Let's get that out of here. We got that. Sounds so better. Casey, show how you use one of these instead of a cigarette. And it's yummy.
If you do it really good, you can shoot little sugars out.
Little sugars out. Stupid. Cigarettes kill. They just make you fat.
They're not even good for you. Because they're so delicious.
So they're equally bad.
Yep.
Because you can die of obesity from this one. Or you could die
From lung cancer.
out of nastiness from that one. As you can tell from that umbrella, it is raining outside. It's all wet and nasty. So we're stuck up here on the balcony,
Nope.
eating our Sour Patch straws.
Hating drama.
Hating drama at work. This probably isn't good before my basketball practice. Whatever. It's like
A dog!
a lady with a dog.
I don't think I saw that.
Yeah, I feel like I would just like zoom in, but I feel like we're stalkers.
You're just gonna scare people.
Scare people?
BRB.